got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block, bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello everyone, so here I will explain 5 material from 5 group. Okay, the first material 7 evaluation function. Okay guys, learning evaluation in the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information systematically to determine the activity of learning objective learning function, and principles. So I will explain 2 evaluation function. The first material, psychologically. Evaluation has important psychological function in understanding individual development and needs. This involved assessing aspects such as student self confidence, motivation, interest, and personality. For example, in a psychological evaluation, a school counselor might use personality tests to understand a student behavior, parents, and emotional needs. The second material, the sociologically. The sociologically function is to determine the positives of student, their group, and also analysis social interaction between students. Sociological information can help identify social dynamic in here. Classroom or school include relationship between student, communicative parent, and social interaction. For example, evaluate student participation in group project to assess their interaction of individual contributes to the group. The third material, methodically. Evaluation has an important role in the didactically methodical first to assess the level of readiness of students in pursuing their educational program. This involves assessment, student understanding of the course material, their ability to apply reading context, and their overall study skill. For example, formatting tests used to a teacher to make sure student understanding of new topic begin touch. For material, knowing the position of student in your group. Evaluation also help in knowing the positive on a student in their group, including their academic abilities, social skill, and contribute to group activity. For example, evaluating student performance in a group project can provide an overview of each student role and contribute in activities group goals. The five, the level of readiness of students in pursuing their educational program. One of the main functions of evaluation is to access to the level readiness of students in pursuing their educational program. This includes an assessment of students' skill, knowledge, and abilities, essentially. For example, colleagues and tracks exam are used to assess their health. A student has sufficient skill and knowledge to success in chosen course of study. The SIG material assisting teacher in providing courage and selection. Evaluation help teacher in providing courage and selection, but in determining the types of um education major and grade formation. It involves assessing a student potential and interest to access them, the making decision of appropriate educational plans. For example, assessment of a student's skill and interest can be used to provide appropriate career added fields of career direction. For example, the result of student evaluation can be used to identify learning areas that require additional action from the school on the determined remedial programs. Okay guys, the next material definition of Bloom taxonomy from group 2. Bloom's taxonomy is a framework used in educational to classify learning objectives into 6 hierarchical levels, ranging from lower to higher level of thinking. Bloom's taxonomy and framework developed by Benjamin Bloom and Hyde Calwett in 1959 that is used to clarify learning object into 6 different chronological levels. The goal of this taxonomy is to help educators design curricular development tests and plan effective learning. Bloom taxonomy describes the level of knowledge thinking that development in students as they process information, understanding context, and solve a problem. And the procedures begin touch. For example, in the context from taxonomy, the words remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and the last creating. Okay guys, the next material examining the comparison of learning outcomes tests from group 3. Based on the comparison of learning outcomes tests are divided into 2 types, teacher-made test and standard test. The first, teacher-made test. Teacher-made tests are assessment thoughts created specifically by teachers to measure student understanding, mastery of skill and competency regarding creating subject matter. When the main advantage of the learning needs of the class, teacher can design a question and reflect the curriculum that has been delivered and takes into account the needs and abilities of individual students. This test can be more effective in evaluating student level of understanding and mastery of material direction. However, there are several disadvantages that need to be considered in using teacher-made tests. One of them is difficulty in maintaining stratification different tests given of different classes of students, because their tests are curated by students independently. There are sometimes significant variance in the level of differentially of student formal of the class to another. Can result in unfairness in assessment. There are some study may be advantage of disadvantage based on the test their ranks. In addition, there in perception of assessment, yes, can choose student achievement factor achievement student answer. Even though the effort, the profit level feedback are usually met. Concrete example for student make sense are daily text in class, homework, assessment, or midterm example prepared by subjects. Okay, to material standard test. Standard tests are assessment tools that are developed using standard procedure in design, administration, and assessment. These tests are designed to assess individual competency of performance in a domain of knowledge or skill, consistently and objective among all test takers. One of the main advantages of standardized tests in their ability to provide a relative object measure of students' level of assessment in a curriculum or learning standard. Standardized tests usually have clear instruction or format and strongly train, thereby recording the potential of variance between tests given to various test takers. The ensure that assessments are conducted fairly and consistently across proportional of students taking the test. Additionally, standardized tests also provide constructive feedback to students and teachers about student activities level and well as areas for improvement in future learning. However, there are several disadvantages to consider in using standardized tests. One is lack of flexibility in adapting assessment question or tasks uh, to the specific learning needs of the class. Additionally, standard tests are older susceptible to cultural or socioeconomic bias. There are some students might have advanced or disadvantages based on their background in answering questions and combating assessment. The main example of standard test in a national exam question and based and used to evaluate student activity national in a curriculum or learning standard set by the government. Okay guys, the next material a rule of writing multiple choice question for group 4. The rule of writing question for multi-choice question are guidelines that must be followed so that the questions are of good quality, relevant, and can make sure that respondents are understanding of knowledge effectively. The following are several aspects to pay attention to the rule of writing multiple choice question. The first, material. Completing with indicator. For example, if the curriculum of relation plan explanation, the student must understand Newton's theory of gravity. Then the question must be in accordance with tense indicator. For example, what causes an object to fall to the earth? Nah, homogeneously and logic answer choice. For example, question which is not a character of verbal animals. A human, B fish, C frog, and the G grasshopper. The answer is D, grasshopper. Why is D? Because grasshopper are interteratus. Okay, one correct answer. For example, question: how many planets are there in the solar system? The answer opinion A 7, B 8, C 9, D 10. The answer is B 8. The two construction, image and graphic clarification. For example, if there is a population graph, the problem. The graph must be clear and have appropriate labels so that students can understand for information for feedback. Now, formation of the curve problem. For example, the question, how will climate change impact biodiversity? Now, the curve of the matter, the impact of climate change of biodiversity. Nah, avoidance of double negative statement. For example, question. For example, the question, which the not a cause of climate change? Subject, cause of climate change includes is fossil fuels and not used as energy, not absolute answer choice. For example, the question, which is a part of the central nervous system? Answer option A. Brain, B. Spine, C. Peripheral nervous, D. Liver. The answer is A. Brains. Nah, the next three material is language. Indonesian language rule. For example, the question, what is meant by osmosis? Nah, rule of good language-nya, the question uses appropriate and grammatically correct words. Not using regional language. For example, the question, what is the scientific name of the rose? Regional language-nya, Mawar may be known in some areas, but a question should be standards Indonesia ensure consistent understanding. Guys, the last material is question characteristic from group 5. Assessing the quality of a question item involves evaluation based on several categories. The first, display validity, refers to how ordinary people respond to the format of a question item, such as the arrangement of question and of choice in multi-choice question. For example, a multiple choice question that is arranged neatly and clearly so that it is easy for students to understand without any ambiguity. The two, context validity, measure the extent to which question item reflects learning objective and curriculum. It assesses whether the question aligns with specific instructional objective. For example, question on a mathematical exam that fits the curriculum or learning objective that have been set for on the material being taught. 3. Predictive validity. Explain how well the result of the question item correlates with future success and thus predicting I. For example, a question on English placement that successfully predicts student future level of proficiency in English, such a likelihood of success in adjective language course. The last establishes validity. Requires question item to have several indicators that measure the construct we can achieve it. This indicator must be positive, correct with each other if they measure similar aspects of negatively correct in they measure different of opposite aspects. Now, for example, a training evaluation question that answers several questions that measure various aspects of the completely you want to access. This indicator correct with each other according the construct you want to mention.